So, first of all, we've identified a gap in our ecosystem. One of it is the information that flies around, and what we're trying to achieve with Tea and Tech is, first of all, enlighten people on the right information when it comes to technology, and also give them, or rather, minimize the learning curve into learning those technologies. Now, aside that, what also bringing in, we're merging the advancement of technology and also the adoption of technology to be at par in some way, because right now we have the adoption of technology to be very, very slow. So Tea and Tech is also there to bridge that gap, so people can also get to have more information on this and experience technology in real time. Thank you.